they started cracking.
The pink car tried hard to brake, but it fell into a pothole on the road. Hello, I am a crane.
Hello, I am a dump truck.
Hello, I am an excavator.
Hello, I am a cement mixer machine.
Hello, I am a road roller.
Hello, I am a lorry truck. Now the rescue team set out to save that car. Help me! Somebody help me!
The rescue team successfully rescued the car, but they still had to repair the road. Now the excavator started removing soil and stones from that pit. The mixer truck mixes cement and water into his bucket and then pours it into the pit. The road roller then flattens the road.